We have this question on series. It says how many terms of the series -3, -1, +1, and the series continues will add up to 165. In short, how many terms of this series will sum up to 165? Let's look at it. For my series, I have -3, -1, +1, and it continues. Now, for it to sum up to 165 means that my Sn, which is the sum of the arithmetic series, will be equals to 165. The formula for sum of any series is the same thing as Sn is equals to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where my n obviously is the nth term of the series, which is what we're actually going to look for now. And my a here is the first term of the series. Obviously, a in this question is -3. And my d here is a difference. If my first term is -3, the second term is -1, and the third term is +1, obviously my difference is +2. So my d here is the same thing as +2. So that Sn, which is 165, will be equals to n over 2 into 2a, that's 2 into -3, plus n minus 1 now into d is 2. Then I close the bracket. So that I have 165 is equals to n over 2. I can easily cross multiply or multiply both sides by 2. So I'll multiply both sides by 2 to remove the fraction of 1 over 2. 2 will cancel 2. Then I'll multiply this side also by 2. Invariably, I'll have 330 will be equals to, now I'll be left with n, which is outside here, that's this n here, into 2 times -3, that's -6, plus n minus 1 into 2. Then I'll close my bracket. So that my equation becomes 330 is equals to n now into -6 plus 2n, I'm opening this bracket, minus 2. So that 330 is equals to n into -6 minus 2, that's -8 plus 2n. So I can now open this bracket now, so that 330 will be equals to -8n plus 2n squared. So I can easily rearrange my equation as 2n squared minus 8n minus 330 is equals to 0. I'm seeing that everything here are even numbers, so I can divide through by 2. So this will be n squared minus 4n minus 165 equals 0. Now let's see if I can use, I can use factorization method. Now this, I'll multiply my a and my n here. I'll multiply my a and my c. That will be 165n squared in the negative. And the factors of 165n squared will be -15n and -11n. So that I'll have n squared minus 15n plus 11n. Now this is -165, minus 15n times plus 11n. So minus 15n plus 11n minus 165 equals 0. In case you have gray areas, in case you don't understand how I went about solving this quadratic expression, I'll place a link in the description below to our lessons on solving quadratic equation by factorization method. We have dealt extensively with it in that lesson. Now, so that n now into n minus 15 plus 11 into n minus 15 now is equals to 0. So that n plus 11 into n minus 15 is equals to 0. Invariably, n is equals to -11 and n is equals to 15. Now, given that n is equals to -11, we know this state cannot exist. So this is not the correct answer. But we have n is equals to 15, so we can pick this because n can be equals to 15. so that the sum of the first 15 terms of this particular series will amount to 165. I hope you understood how I went about solving these questions. In case you have gray areas, please don't hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.